How to transfer Notcoin from Binance to Tonkeeper. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Tonkeeper and head over to your Notcoin. Now, if you don't have Notcoin into your wallet, you need to click on swap option and then simply swap your USDT or your Toncoin for the Notcoin. So simply click on search and search for Notcoin just like so, and make sure to swap, and then you will gonna receive your Notcoin on the bottom of your screen, which you can simply click there, and then you can simply click on the receive option and copy your address. Right now I don't have Notcoin, but I can show you the process from the Binance. Open up your withdraw option from the assets and simply search for Notcoin. Once you are in, click on send via crypto network, and then you need to simply select your Toncoin as your network. Right now it is suspended for some reason, but you just need to enter the amount and follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Hope this helped. This is how you can transfer Notcoin from Binance to Tonkeeper.